a little while in Armenia, and you accept it with its centuries-old mysterious history. Unite with its nature. Get know the people who love their country so much. Admire uncomparable mountains which seem to merge into one. There is an impression that nature simply decided to experiment in Armenia, and that every step created unimaginable unique forms. Then you reach the Symphony of Stones. This is another spot to learn how powerful is nature. You hear sounds of music that nature plays to you. Take a deep breath and catch the moment.